Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Brat Attacks Police for Taking Her Phone."
On February 9th, officers attempted to
February 9th is a good day. That's my birthday.
confiscate a college student's phone as part of an active investigation. But when confronted in the lobby, she completely melts down.
All right, who are you on the phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone, so go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized.
No.
You're gonna hang up the phone.
I seized my phone, but I'm not in custody.
Listen.
There's three of them all around me.
So listen.
FaceTime me for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire's gonna be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're gonna seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire's under investigation.
I need to know why my.
So you can hand me the phone, or I can take the phone.
But I need to know why my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I.
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone.
So the fire is going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized.
Is Shay?
Yes, everybody's phone's being seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here. We were waiting for the detective, so the detective's going to seize your
But
phone.
no one told me any. You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone, and I can take you home. Yep.
So. No, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 4 a.m. I can't go without my phone.
Well, how is she gonna go?
Right, where am I gonna go?
Who's the TikTok lawyer on the phone, man? Who that? That's what I want to know. Get her together.
Without my phone, if I do the interview,
She not acting
that's
right.
Up to you.
Well, if I do the interview,
You can go do the interview, but your phone's going to currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here?
Nope, we're not going to do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm going to take the phone. That's how this is going to work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
she said hang up the phone and they're going to take the phone because at this point I'm being threatened.
It's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my phone is being taken.
So the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department.
Reason,
so stop. Don't interrupt me.
To do with my device?
So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to interrupt you and I'll be miscalm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take it.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you a reason.
So
I'm not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but...
Do you want to give an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized. Because she said she could take me home, but without my phone. That doesn't make sense. It sounds like...
So are you going to talk to the detective?
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now.
So
because it seems like
that's the question. No, it
seems like he's being petty because he woke up and I won't do the interview.
So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the detective or no?
Regardless, you not getting the phone. Regardless, whether you do the interview or not, regardless, the phone is being taken. Listen, this is like her lifeline right here. She is just, you know how they be hooked on that phone, man. You taking their phone, that's like, man, that's like taking a child from their mom. Like, you just, you know.
The phone.
I don't know. That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before I get.
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my phone is being seized.
Go ahead and hand me the phone.
Oh, they gonna have to get her together too. She probably gonna get locked up.
Stop. Relax.
Look how she holding on to that phone.
Relax.
Mom, not letting
Relax.
go.
We just want your phone. That's it.
We just want your phone.
They're trying to give me no protection.
Taylor. No.
Oh, she getting other charges.
Stop kicking. Hey, Taylor, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Taylor.
Yeah,
Turn her to
that way.
This way toward me.
Give me.
Roll.
Give me your hand, Taylor.
Which way we roll?
Give me your hand.
I almost.
I'm going to keep doing the pressure point until you let go. Let go.
Got this hand.
Release your hand.
Release your other hand. Release your other hand, Taylor.
I got her elbow out.
Going to jail now.
Got this. Who has cuffs? Cuffs.
Okay, you can let go.
Watch out, look under. Relax.
I got it right.
Oh my God, y'all put me in cuffs now. No, I'm not under arrest.
Relax your arm, Taylor.
You are under arrest.
You are under arrest. Relax your arm.
Release the hand.
Under arrest for what?
You know what a second third? No.
Oh my God, I'm filing the case as soon as I get off this floor.
Let me move.
You all have no right. I came down here willingly because you're a black woman.
Get up.
So,
Hold on.
I want you to think about how you're doing it.
I came here willingly because you're a black woman. Because we're the same color. You supposed to be on my side. I used to hear that shit all the time when I was a CO, man. All the time, man. Yo, why you doing that? Yo, you a brother, man. You a brother. What you... I got a job to do, man. Got a job to do. You not acting right. What you want me to do? I wouldn't have to do this if you would act right. That's it. I wouldn't have to do this. Come on, you a brother. You supposed to understand. No, I don't understand. I have to get you together, man. It's simple. You know, do what you're supposed to do. You a grown man. You supposed to do what you're supposed to do. You know what I mean? You an adult. Do what you got to do. I shouldn't have to babysit you and tell you, do this, do that, do this, do that. You supposed to already know. You supposed to be on game. Same thing with her. She like, I came here because you a black woman. Listen, she got a job to do. And the job right now is to take that phone. Either you could give it up or I could take it from you. Either way, you're not getting it. Until the investigation is complete, we could get that warrant, go through there, you know, whatever we got to do, man. But that's that. We the same color, you supposed to understand. And I'm getting anybody together that don't act right, man. Black, white, purple, red. Let's go, man.
Another black woman.
Okay.
Where you go?
Relax. Relax.
You just put me in handcuffs and I came down here willingly.
Do you need to hear a double lock?
Hold on, let me
I
tighten them
came
up.
down here willingly. Get off of me.
Stay down.
Nope,
Stay
relax.
Down. Stay down.
Get me off the floor.
Relax.
Stay down.
Why am I on the floor?
All right, Taylor. Okay, we're gonna roll this way.
Why
Ready?
are you pinning me on the floor?
We're
'Cause
gonna
you're not
get you
acting
out.
right.
Relax.
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 Pin me up like I'm a fucking human.
We're going left. We're going my way. Roll my way.
We're going your
Roll
way.
my way. All right, stand up. Go to your knees, Taylor.
Y'all just okay with this, all of y'all. And you a black woman. You are a black African American woman.
Property. Oh, that was mine.
Where's the phone at?
You're black.
All right, we're going this way.
They're white. I expect it from them.
All right.
You're black, dude.
Okay, you also kicked me in the head, so.
You also, I came down here willingly because I trusted you. And look at what you're doing.
Are you willing to provide a statement or no?
What does that mean?
Are you going to talk to me if we go back there or no?
You are forcing me to.
I'm asking you if you're going to provide
But you're
a statement.
forcing me to.
I can't force you to talk.
You're taking my items.
I'm seizing this for now, yes.
What does that
Do
mean?
you want to provide a statement?
My detective, I need to talk to her. I need an attorney present.
You can, okay.
I need a lawyer.
You can take her to jail.
All right.
Take me to
Where's her
jail?
property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God! Okay, I'll do the interview.
You still have the charges.
I didn't aggravate you. You
You
assaulted
kicked
me.
Okay, so relax.
You
I didn't aggravate you. She don't even understand the charges that she got, man. Yo, the detective smooth, man. I like the detective, man. Take her to jail.
that mean?
Do you want to provide a statement?
My detective, I need to talk to her. I need an attorney present.
You can, okay.
I need a lawyer.
You can take her to jail.
All right.
Take me to
Where's
jail.
her property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God! Okay, I'll do the interview.
You still have the charges.
I didn't aggravate you. You
You
assaulted
kicked
me.
Okay, so relax.
You assaulted me. I'm 18 years old and you assaulted me. Of course I'm aggravated. I wasn't resisting arrest. You didn't say that I was under arrest.
Yours? Is this the back to your earring?
Are you arrested? Are you putting something on my record?
You're being arrested. I asked you, so listen, I asked you to provide your phone and you refused, okay? When you
You didn't give me a reason.
Nope. I said your phone was being seized. You said,
never gave me the reason.
Don't interrupt me. I said your phone was being seized.
I asked you the reason.
You several times
I trusted you. That's why I came.
You did not hand me your phone, okay? Then we took your phone.
I came here willingly.
You're going to jail.
I kicked you out because you all were manhandling me. I couldn't move. I was scared.
We don't really kick police officers, but...
I was scared. Hello, you would do the same thing.
Cuffs still have to be double locked if they weren't double locked back.
They weren't. Go ahead and double lock them.
Double lock them? I can't move. Are you guys serious right now? How are you gonna...
Yeah, she 18, she young, fresh, you know what I mean? Big Bertha down there waiting on you. She been waiting for you to get there, man. Yes. Young, scared, 18. Oh yeah.
Do this to me. I'm like, bro, I just got out of high school and you all are scaring me.
Do you want me to transport her?
Do you mind?
Or Kazi,
Who am I talking to?
I'm just doing paper, but
I'm not busy. I'm
Yes.
You do.
Yes.
Okay, it's not going to affect any charges they have on you.
Okay, then just... What is happening right now? I came down here because I thought I was doing an interview. Why am I in cuffs?
I'd like to still interview you. That's not...
But why am I in cuffs? I'm scared. Why are you all touching me? Why is my stuff being seized? You told me I was coming here for an interview. I came here under false pretenses. That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no? You want to go?
Let's go to the cage jail, wherever we're going. I need to make a call. I get one call, I know that much.
Okay, I'm parked this way.
Okay.
I get one call, I know that much.
Have 2 people go.
Do you want to go with him? Do you have something or no?
I just...
Do you have any charges for this?
No. You're resisting aggravated battery.
I resisted because you gave me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason. So that you have a case for. And it was an aggravated assault. It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's way. And that's the situation that you put me in because I thought I was coming for an interview. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone.
I patted her down. I'll search her right now.
Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You did lie to me.
I did not lie to you.
You told me he was here when we got here. You told me I was doing an interview and you would take me home. Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? There was a fire at my house.
Correct, and that's what you were here for the interview. You said,
yes.
So stop yelling, okay? I'm going to talk to you. You said you were here for an interview,
right?
Our detectives come in from Bloomington. I don't know how long it takes them to get here.
I wasn't mad at you. I told you that.
I know that. You said you didn't no longer want to do that interview, right?
No, because I'm tired. I said I won't be of much help right now.
Correct. So that's why you went to the lobby. I was going to take you home.
Right.
At that point, the officer wanted your phone seized.
You didn't say that. You said he wanted my phone confiscated. You didn't give me that specific reason, ma'am.
Because you were yelling at me for about 5 minutes. So
because I wasn't understanding, and I'm asking you the same question. I asked you the same question multiple times, and you did not answer me.
Put your knees in.
You didn't answer me one time. That doesn't matter to you, and I'm sitting here talking to you.
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
You weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just
You
yelling.
were just telling me, and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to you?
Okay, Taylor. Step out for me. I'm gonna grab it. Yep, I'm gonna grab it.
The suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. Following the incident, she filed a federal lawsuit against Normal Police alleging excessive force. The case remains ongoing, with the next hearing scheduled for August of this year. If you enjoyed this video,
I don't think they did excessive force. Now maybe if your head got stomped in, then I could understand, but that, we'll see what happens. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Maybe she might get a little settlement, 10,000 or something, who knows, man. I don't think that was excessive though. Give me your phone. No? All right. Your phone's being seized. No? All right. Get her together. They didn't really go overboard. I think they used the appropriate amount of force to get her, in handcuffs. And once she was in handcuffs, it stopped.